Hi! Today we are building an e-commerce platform in which we interact with products only with our voice. No mouse, no keyboard. Let's see a demo of our app.
Let's enable the voice.
Voice control activated. Say a command anytime.
Gaming.
Opening gaming category.
White.
White selected.
Add this to cart.
Added RGB gaming mouse in white to cart.
Next product.
Mechanical keyboard, $159.99.
White.
White selected.
Nice. Added.
Added mechanical keyboard in white to cart.
Next.
Gaming headset, $129.
Red.
Red selected.
Add.
Added gaming headset in red to cart.
Next product.
Gaming controller, $69.
Purple.
Purple selected.
Nice. Add this to cart.
Added gaming controller in purple to cart.
Go home.
Going home.
Show me the cart, please.
Opening cart with 6 items.
Checkout.
Order placed successfully. Thank you for shopping with Voice Shop.
Go to lovable.dev. Add this prompt. I want to create an e-commerce application, a prototype, and I want to interact using voice when selecting products. Choose a theme. I am not going to waste your time with all the prompts I used. I am going to put them in the description. This is the first look. Nice? Do not forget to give permission to Lovable for the microphone. Let's see what voices we can pick. We have a female and male from the US and a female or male from the UK. Let's pick the female from the US. Here we have some more questions to answer. Let's pick building for a client. Hit submit and you are done. Let's change the theme to something viral and techy. It's looking really nice. Finally, I asked the agent if the voices of the assistants are free. And the reply was, yes, the voices in your app are completely free. Your project uses the Web Speech API, which is a browser's native text-to-speech. I would appreciate it if you would tell me, what do you guys think of this app? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.